not married yet, can I take bitter cola on a regular? Yeah. For the fact that you're not married yet, just take your mind off that area. Consume bitter cola, all right? 1 or 2 a day is okay for you. Oh, hey. Thank you, Jesus. Hello, beautiful and amazing Pathfinders. Welcome back again to another helpful video. Thank you all so much for clicking on today's video. And I want to say a very special thank you to every one of you that have been asking, where have you been? I want to read from you. I want to see a video from you. Hope you come back soon. Oh my goodness, I was actually overwhelmed with joy. Thank you all so much for your love and your support. I truly appreciate it. Honestly, I actually left a message on my community tab letting you all know that I won't be that frequent on this channel for now. Reason being, I'll be going back to work. I know someone is going to be saying, but you can as well create content even at work. Yes, the time for me to edit and post, YouTube sometimes can be so challenging. So I just decided to leave this one apart, for a while. So I'll be able to concentrate on the job. Yes, that is the reason why. And I truly appreciate you asking, where have I been, honestly? Yeah, recently I noticed that underneath the video, the benefit of bitter cola, I've been getting lots of questions from that video, and I've been trying to respond one after the other, but something just said to me, why don't you make a brief video to be able, to share with others as well, not just the person asking the question. Yeah, so I just decided to make a brief video. And please, if you haven't watched that video of the benefits of bitter cola, it is a very, very educative one. I am going to be leaving the link in the description area for you to watch, and please do so well to share with your friends and family. And don't forget to share this one as well, because there are some questions that were asked, and maybe you watching that other video, you would love to ask the same question, or you'll be able to learn from the questions of others and the response that I'm going to be providing to them. Thank you all so much, fam. I truly appreciate you. And now, without further ado, let us dive right into the questions. And question number 1 says, do I have to peel my bitter cola before eating it? Yes, you have to peel it. Peel off the skin before eating it. Yeah. And question number 2 says, how do I store my bitter cola? Bitter cola is a very juicy nut, and you don't really need to leave it in a dry place. Although it is not going to affect the effectiveness, but what you need to do is to refrigerate it, or you store it in an airtight container where you'll be able to water it from time to time, so as to prevent it from drying out. Yeah. And question number 3 says, can I refrigerate my bitter cola? Yeah, I said it before. Yeah, you can refrigerate it, okay? And question number 2 says, do I dry it before eating? I don't think you need to dry it before eating, although I'm going to be bringing up a different video showing you how you can actually use bitter cola, thereby trying to dry it and converting it to something you can actually use as a cough syrup. Yes, it is a very helpful nut. If you've not been consuming bitter cola, you have to watch that video first. Yeah. And question number 5 says, how many bitter cola do I have to eat a day? Yeah, I actually have a video where I spoke about the doses. All right. Yeah, 1 bitter cola is okay for a day, but if you want to do much, you can eat 2 a day, and try to avoid eating it that late at night, so you won't stay awake all night. All right. And question number 6 says, sister, can I eat daily 1 bitter cola without anything? And I'm going to rephrase this question, all right, due to how I understood the question. Yeah, I think the person is trying to ask, can I eat it on an empty stomach daily? Yeah, you can eat it on an empty stomach daily. Question number 6b says, still from the same person, increase size is possible or not? Now, I'll place that question on hold because I have another question that will actually answer that question. And now, question number 7 says, does it stop a moving object in the body? Yeah, I don't think it does anyway, but what you need to do is to go for a parasite test. It is very, very important, all right? Go for a test to be able to know the reason why you're having that moving object in your body, all right? But that does not stop you from eating bitter kola. In general, it is a very helpful nut and it is a very healthy one. It is medicinal, absolutely medicinal. So what you need to do is to go for a test, all right, to be able to figure out the reason why you have that moving object in your body. And question number 8 says, can a pregnant woman eat bitter kola? Of course, yes, you can eat it. It helps to fight against nausea, all right? So what you need to do is to avoid eating it late at night. Do not eat it towards in the evening, all right? And do not eat it at night so it won't interrupt your sleep. Now, question number 9 says, does it enlarge joystick? This question number 9 is actually going to be answering question number 6B, all right? Yeah, to the best of my knowledge, despite the fact that I've seen lots of videos claiming it enlarges your joystick, I mean your manhood, all right? But the thing is, if your manhood is weak, it looks slimmer, it looks smaller. But because bitter kola enhances erection, it is going to make it to look bigger and longer, all right? And for the fact that bitter kola helps to give you that full-blown erection, that is the reason why you claim, okay, it makes it to look bigger and longer, all right? Question number 10 says, I am not married yet. Can I consume bitter kola? For the fact that bitter kola enhances erection, it doesn't stop you from taking it, all right? Just take your mind off the erection part of it and consume bitter kola for the healthy benefits, all right? Yeah. Don't worry. One day you will get married and you'll have to enjoy your bitter kola to the fullest with your madam, all right? Yeah, so that's basically it for today's video, and I will be bringing another video your way showing you how bitter kola actually helps me on a very, very crucial day, on a crucial meeting. Yes, fam, thank you all so much for watching, and please, please, please do so well to share this amazing video, this informative video, and don't forget to share the other one as well, and do subscribe if you know you haven't. Like, comment, I want to read your comments, all right? Yeah. Thank you all so much, and I will be seeing you in another video.